We all have our own note-taking use cases that are important to us. Some are university students and take lecture notes. Some are developers and take programming notes. Some have a lot of meetings and take meeting notes. And some enjoy cooking food and want to save their recipes. Whatever your specific use case or use cases are, there are some commonalities. For example, when we start something, for example, the first time we cook food, our note-taking needs are very, very basic. It might just be a table of ingredients and some simple instructions. But the thousandth time that you cook something, your note-taking needs have increased substantially. You now might have multiple tables of ingredients and many instructions, and you might have timers. So our note-taking apps need to grow as we grow, and they need to get more involved and complex as we become more complex. So I'll show you an example now. This is a very basic recipe note. It has a table of ingredients and some text instructions. So this could be the first thing you ever do. Now let's say the second time you want to write a recipe, and it's going to be pretty much the same as this one. What you do is you find a clone button. It's up here or it's over here, and you press clone. Now that is going to copy over the sections from the previous note, but it's going to empty them. Now let's say that now it's the 100th time that we're writing a recipe, and we are much more advanced than we were before. So let's also find the previous recipe. Maybe we can just take this one again. So we copy over everything again. But since we are so much more advanced, our note-taking needs to be more advanced as well. So maybe this recipe actually has another table for the sauce. Let's also imagine that there are timers in this table. Cooking time, which we want to set. And maybe there's a list for whatever reason. So cloning lets you evolve your format, your note-taking format as you evolve. And so you can of course have these, maintain these in parallel. So maybe some of your recipes look like this. That doesn't mean all recipes do. So you can go back and clone previous recipes as well. It's very, very dynamic and flexible. Now, cloning is what sets Disorganized apart from other applications, but that doesn't mean I think you should hurry up and use it now. Make it come natural. Try out the app. I really tried my best to make it convenient for other use cases as well. But I think that at some point you will see a use case in your life where this makes sense. And that's when I think you should try out cloning, and that's when I think you will start to love the app.